Hello, James.
Hi Graham. Where are we? What's this?
We were in the panel room. We are now in what will be dyno room. Not much progress on the dyno front, unfortunately. Mending cars and trying to work for a living has kind of got in the way.
Through a pandemic.
Yes. We have got some major progress in that we have a hole in the wall.
Oh.
And this hole allows us access to the workshop, and it will allow us to get engines in and out of the dyno cell, because when the cell's assembled, its door will be where I am, and the door opens that way. So not only is it impractical to wheel engines through the office, physically, because the door in the way, we can't do it. So we've had to cut a hole in the wall, complete with steel lintel to keep upstairs. That's a major step forward. We've got that hole. There's been a lot of thought going on while I've worked out what to do with lights and electrics. Now we have a hole in the wall, we can start to bring the panels in. I've repurposed some of the carpet.
Soundproofing?
The cell is soundproofing anyway, but as that wall backs onto the neighbouring unit, I figured I might as well repurpose the carpet, and it just adds another layer of, should we say, protection. Noise reduction is about layering. It might not make any difference, but it can't hurt, and it saves filling up the bin, which I have to pay to empty.
What is next door?
It's another car business. Okay. They make a lot of noise themselves. We hear them running engines all the time, but even so, they might want to listen to engines at full chat on the dyno cell. It is noisy. But the hope is the cell keeps the sound down enough, I can actually run it during the day, but I won't know for sure till we try. So I figure, in the words of Tesco, every little helps. Oh, the drawing on the wall. Yes, the drawing on the wall was me explaining to a friend how we have to change the orientation of the dyno. When it was installed in its last home, the air came in the cell through there, and the exhaust extraction went out there. That was shoved in a corner building, and that air intake actually went through a fire exit. Well, we have to draw the air in through an external wall. The external wall we've got is on the other side, so we're going to have to kind of switch it all around. Wasn't much of an update, but now we have a hole and some space to work in. I suspect we might have some progress in the near future, so stay tuned.